Welcome back, Cosmic Voyagers of the UNSS Phoenix XCS-337. Today's topic will take us farther than we've ever gone, before the universe even began. That's right, we're exploring the ultimate cosmic riddle. What came before the Big Bang? The Big Bang Theory tells us how our universe began from a boiling dense point and expanded to form the cosmos we know today. But the question that has boggled minds for decades is, what happened before that moment? Was there anything before time and space existed? Could our universe have emerged from another one? Could there be an endless cycle of Big Bangs? This video will explore the leading theories, scientific, philosophical, and speculative, that try to answer this mind-boggling question. We'll venture into the deepest realms of cosmology, quantum mechanics, and even ancient mythologies to see how different perspectives tackle this ultimate question. Get ready for a cosmic ride filled with wonder, speculation, and a few cosmic jokes and riddles that will not only keep things light, but also help us understand the topic's complexity. Before diving into what came before the Big Bang, let's quickly review it. According to the Big Bang Theory, about 13.8 billion years ago, all the universe's matter, energy, and space were condensed into a singular point. This singularity was unimaginably hot and dense. Then, in an instant, it expanded, and from that point, time and space began. This idea was first proposed in the 1920s, and over the past century, scientists have gathered a mountain of evidence supporting it. One of the critical pieces of evidence is the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, which can be detected throughout the universe. This radiation provides a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old, supporting the idea of a hot, dense early universe. The way galaxies are distributed and how the universe is still accelerating all reinforce the idea that it began with this explosive event. But the standard Big Bang model doesn't actually explain why the universe began or what caused it. It describes what happened after the initial expansion, but leaves the moment before it shrouded in mystery. Example, imagine rewinding the universe, going back in time. The galaxies draw closer together, stars collapse into each other, and everything condenses into a single, infinitely dense point. But what happens before that moment? Does time stop? Or was there something there before? Riddle. I'm the end and the beginning, the first explosion and the void. Without me, time has no meaning. What am I? What lies beyond the Big Bang? Exploring theories of before. So, what could have happened before the Big Bang? Let's dive into some of the most fascinating theories that try to answer this question. Theory 1. The no-boundary proposal. Hawking's theory. One of the most famous ideas comes from Stephen Hawking and James Hartle's no-boundary proposal. According to this theory, time and space are not separate concepts but are intertwined into what we call space-time. In the universe's early moments, space-time was curved, so there was no distinct beginning. Essentially, there is no before the Big Bang, because time itself didn't exist before that moment. It's like asking what's north of the North Pole. Hawking proposed that the universe could have been in a state where time behaved more like space at the very beginning. In this sense, the universe had no distinct boundary or starting point, just like the Earth has no edge where it suddenly begins. Instead of a sharp beginning, there's a smooth transition from what we consider before into the expansion of space-time. Example, imagine a balloon. When you inflate it, it expands, and we can trace it back to where it started growing. But where did the balloon come from? According to the no-boundary proposal, it's not that there was a point where the balloon wasn't there, just that the shape of space-time transitioned smoothly into the universe we know. Theory 2. Cyclic universe, the eternal bounce. Another intriguing idea is the cyclic universe theory, the Big Bounce. According to this theory, the universe goes through infinite cycles of expansion and contraction. After each Big Bang, the universe expands, reaches a maximum size, and starts contracting due to gravity, eventually collapsing into a big crunch. This collapse leads to another Big Bang, and the process begins again. This means that before our Big Bang, another universe could have existed and eventually contracted, leading to the birth of our current one. The cycle could go on for eternity, making the universe eternal and infinitely regenerative. Example, think of a heartbeat. Expansion and contraction, over and over. Each beat is like a Big Bang and a big crunch, a rhythmic cycle that's been happening forever and will continue endlessly. Theory 3. Multiverse and bubble universes. One of the most exciting ideas in modern cosmology is the multiverse theory. According to this theory, our universe is just one of many, perhaps infinite, existing within a larger multiverse. Each universe might have its own physical laws, and they could constantly form and bubble up from a vast underlying quantum foam or some other unknown primordial substance. In this context, what came before our Big Bang could have been another universe bubbling into existence, or our universe could have collided with another universe in this larger multiverse. The Big Bang might not be the beginning of everything, but just the beginning of our local bubble within a much grander reality. Interesting fact. In 2017, scientists analyzing data from the cosmic microwave background thought they might have detected evidence of a bruise where our universe could have collided with another universe early in its history. This could point to the existence of the multiverse. Riddle. I'm part of the whole but exist independently. I'm one among many in a cosmic unknown. What am I? Quantum origins. Was the universe born from nothing? Let's explore one of the most puzzling ideas. Quantum creation from nothing. According to quantum mechanics, the universe is governed by strange and counterintuitive rules at the most minor scales. One of these rules is that particles can spontaneously pop in and out of existence. This phenomenon, known as quantum fluctuations, is a consequence of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which states that the more precisely the position of a particle is known, the less precisely its momentum can be known, and vice versa. In a vacuum, these fluctuations can cause particles to appear seemingly out of nowhere, exist for a moment, and then disappear again. Some cosmologists suggest that the entire universe could have emerged from a quantum fluctuation in a vacuum, a burst of energy from which time, space, and matter were born. In this sense, the universe may have come from nothing. However, nothing in quantum mechanics isn't the kind of nothingness we usually imagine. It's more like a seething cauldron of potential energy, even when it appears empty. Example: imagine you're looking at an empty field. You'd think there's nothing there, but suddenly, flowers start popping up at random. The field looked empty, but it was full of seeds beneath the surface, waiting to sprout. In the same way, the nothing before the Big Bang could have been full of quantum potential, ready to burst into the universe we know. Joke: why did the quantum particle cross the road to pop into existence on the other side? Philosophical and mythological perspectives, every exploration of cosmic origins would be complete by considering philosophical and mythological perspectives on what preceded the universe. Throughout history, cultures worldwide have grappled with the idea of cosmic creation. From the Hindu concept of Brahmanda, the cosmic egg representing the universe's birth, to the Norse myth of Ginnungagap, the yawning void from which all creation sprang, humans have long pondered the nature of beginnings. In these traditions, the universe is often born from an eternal cycle of creation, destruction, and rebirth, mirroring modern scientific ideas like the cyclic universe theory. Philosophers, too, have speculated on whether the universe had to have a beginning. Thinkers like Immanuel Kant and Aristotle considered whether time and space are infinite and eternal, or whether they had a starting point. Even today, the idea of an endless regress, what caused the Big Bang and what caused that cause, remains a tantalizing mystery. Joke: what did the ancient philosophers say before the Big Bang? Nothing, because there was no time for it. Did you know that the concept of a cyclic universe dates back to ancient Indian philosophy? In Hindu cosmology, the universe is believed to go through infinite creation, preservation, and destruction cycles, known as karpas. This idea of eternal recurrence has striking parallels to modern scientific theories about the cyclic nature of the cosmos. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What do you think came before the Big Bang? Could the universe have popped out of nothing? Or are we part of an eternal cycle of cosmic expansion and contraction? Let us know your theories in the comments below. Also, remember to vote in our poll. Do you think the universe had a beginning, or has it always existed in some form? As we close this chapter on cosmic beginnings, prepare for our next mind-blowing journey. In the upcoming episode, we'll dive into the mysterious realm of dark energy, the force that's not only driving the universe's expansion, but accelerating it. Could this invisible energy be the key to understanding the ultimate fate of the cosmos? Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of this strange, enigmatic force in the universe. As we wrap up today's exploration of what came before the Big Bang, we hope your cosmic curiosity has been sparked. These questions, about the origins of our universe, the nature of time, and what lies beyond the horizon of our understanding, are among the most profound mysteries humanity has ever confronted. If you enjoyed today's voyage into the unknown, Subscribe to Crazy Franks' crazy video productions on YouTube and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Also check out Being Frank with Crazy Frank for even more space-filled fun. Answers to riddles. 1 riddle. 1 answer, the Big Bang. 2 riddle. 2 answer, a multiverse. 3 riddle. 3 answer, eternity.
And thanks for watching.